Welcome back to Beauty by Dave. Hope you're having a great day. I know I sure am. Here at Beauty Boy Dave, we do beginner boy beauty, where we play with makeup products just for fun. What are we doing today? We got Westman Atelier today. Oh man. Look at that. Jeez. Okay. Petite Face Trace Contour Stick. All right. Here we go. I mean, we did it. We got the biscuit. You know what's up. Everybody's got the biscuit. Everybody got that biscuit. Everybody got that biscuit. Woo! Yeah, so we just picked up the mini little biscuit Westman Atelier bronzer. You know, little mini contour stick thing. Because, you know, why the F not? I took that fucking Mario shit back. No offense, dog. I did. I took that Makeup by Mario, that serum that I did in that last video. I just took it right back. It was so... I tried several times. It's just glow in a bottle. It's just like glow with no bronze. It was weird. I don't like to take things back. But, you know, sometimes you do. This little mini feels very heavy. It's very luxurious. I like it. I like it a lot. Okay. Let's see what... Okay. Ooh. It's got a nice little cap. All right. Snap. All right. Snap on, snap off. Are we twisting? Are we twisting? Oh, we're twisting the cappy thingy. We are. Okay. There you go. So we got pretty much nothing on the face right now. Yeah. We did moisturizer. Yeah. We did our skin cares. But we're pretty much just doing bronzer and some blush. And that's pretty much it for the looks that we're going for these days. So we're just going to kind of see what happens with our friend Biscuit here. I think there's a lot of, you know, rich or wannabe rich ladies out there that are wearing Biscuit on their face right now. And I think I have a lot in common with several of them. Okay. So that we just put Biscuit on the face. Might be a little bit, might be a lot. Let's find out. You know, I like to do my hollows. So let's see what happens when we try to just kind of stipple out that hollow. Okay, well, dong. It blends out into pretty much nothing, which is what we're looking for, folks. Let's see here. Let's try this hollow. It does just kind of, you know, blend out into nothing, actually. Let's kind of do a little bit of a buffing action on the cheek and kind of see what happens here. This is just a first impression video, by the way, you know. I'm looking for some type of bronzer, you know. I do need a bronzy, it's summer, I need a bronzy glow. This is honestly, I'm not sure this is serving bronze. This is kind of, it's just literally, it's sort of just blended into absolute zero. Do you see anything? I mean, it might just be all on the brush now. I don't know. I don't think there's any product on my face currently. Okay. That's interesting because I sort of used a lot. There's sort of nothing there. Huh. I guess now we're just gonna kind of paint the face a little bit. I mean, I do need to have a little bit of color here. You can see that it's got a very gray base to it, which is definitely what, you know, they say they do for contour. You want to have more of a dark or more of a gray in there. I'm a big fan of the gray. I am trying to just gonna add some bronzy color to the face. But, you know, this might be great for beginner boy beauty because, you know, the slogan is if it feels like it's not enough, then it's just the right amount. So this feels like it's doing nothing, which in my book is sort of what we're going for. So, okay, we're just kind of like blending this out onto the face, you know. I think this is maybe adding like a very, very minimal bronze but not very much. This might not be exactly working for what I'm trying to do for it, which is literally just kind of add a nice bronzer to the face. Is it glowy? Maybe. Okay. It's definitely chill. It's chill. Let's just chill. Westman Atelier bronzer. I mean, it's not a bronzer. Now that they keep saying that, and I keep reading this, it says Face Trace Contour Stick, which I'm starting to believe them. I think this is a contour stick, and I'm trying to use like a bronzer. So, interesting. But, you know, it is really nice for makeup as far as like, it does not look like anything. You can definitely, I can see that there's stuff. I can definitely have some makeup on, but there's not makeup-y in look. All right, we're gonna put some of this Give blushing on top. Let's just see how this product plays with blush on top. This is also another product that you blend out, and in about 5 seconds, it's gonna look like nothing. The theme today. I mean, is that subtle? Is that gorge? Yes, it is. It actually is. It's lovely. I mean, it's perfect. Make sure to just stab yourself in the eye a few times. Yep. What are you girlies up to today? You know? Did you go to Sephora today? I went to Sephora at 10:15 a.m. There was no one in the store. There was no one in the parking lot. I've never been there, and there was just no one there. It was pretty nice. I like a quiet Sephora that I can just roam around and do whatever. It's great. Okay. Ooh, girl. I like this. And then we're going to put a little bit of this, our friend the NYX Buttermelt Blush. Love you. We're going to put this raspberry one on just because, like, I just want to see how a little bit of blush goes on there. And it's Sunday, so why not? Oh, immediately too much. Oh, immediately too much. Oh my God. That was, I did 3 to 4 taps, and that was 3 or 4 taps too many. Oops. Let's use this one. Oh my God, I just got hit in the face. I just got punched. Oh wow. It looks like disaster with this powder blush, but maybe you don't do powder on top of, I don't know. So we wanted to try powder on top of the Westman Atelier because we're doing a video about it. I got you, gal. I figured this out. You know what's up. How does powder sit on top? Maybe okay? I think it's working for me. I think that looks levels, babe. It does. It looks levels, babe. You know, it might look a little, you know, maybe the word is patchy. Maybe it's not like super blendy, that great, but maybe that's the blush. Not sure. Okay, and then we're just gonna do a quick little set of the face. You know, I like to use my little one size powder. I'm gonna be very frank with you. I do not like the full size of the one size. I like the mini. The full size has this really stupid plastic thing. It's hard to open, and it's got this weird embossment, and then just shit just falls out. And it's way too much, and it's just in these huge clumps because it comes out of this stupid like hashtags, like the slash. Like what? It's so dumb. You know, Dave problems. You know. All right, we're gonna put a little bit of pouty on here. All right, just a little bit of satin powder. Set. See how the satin powder sits with that Westman Atelier. I just wanted to get a Westman Atelier product so that I could say, Westman Atelier, because that's just the kind of person I am. I like to sound rich, say rich things, Westman Atelier. Oopa choopa. All right, kook. We got powdered up the Boots House down. We're gonna spray some Charlotte Tilbury because we like Charlotte, because Charlotte's from Kentucky. She's not from our state. She's from Kentucky. Kentucky Charlotte. That's why her name is Charlotte. She's from Charlotte, North Carolina. Then we're gonna stipple in that spray one last time. Boom, boom, boom. Bing, bang, boom. Bap, bap, bap. That's the lurk. What do you think? It's bright, you just can see the light. It's like, don't breathe, don't move, don't breathe, don't talk, don't say anything. Shh. I think it looks nice. It feels lovely. It looks like nothing, but it looks great. This is a perfect no makeup look for the type of beginner boy beauty that I like to do. This Westman Atelier product, it might be serving. There's a really interesting thing happening on this side of the face. I'm gonna say, I don't get the whole lot of this thing called pore blurring stuff, but the skin looks impeccably smooth. The skin looks very smooth, almost like poreless in a way that I don't usually see in any way. And this side might look a little bit better than this side, but it's very interesting. This might be something to do with the Westman Atelier. Anyway, this is a fun little product. I definitely recommend getting the little mini because, how much of this are you really going to need? Be careful because it is extremely sheer, or just it does blend out. That's all you get, so it's not a hoop a whole lot, but am I ever going to use this entire stick? I would seriously doubt it. But anyway, go get yourself some Westman Atelier, baby! $26 for the mini. Have a great day. Bye. Oh, please comment, please like, and subscribe. I've been getting a few comments lately. It's thrilling. It's fun. Say hi. Bye-bye.